sis, because we definitely got some tea on these little tips I'm about to give y'all. Okay, so I low-key got a new monitor. I'm gonna really try my hardest to just freaking look at the camera and not at the monitor. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Micah J, if you don't already know. But today what we have is a new video, a life hack video. So basically I have 5 things that you can do to smell good all day long, and I mean juicy. And I'm telling you, I promise you it will work. If it doesn't work, leave a comment down below and let me know. I will cash up you $1. So first thing first is my number 1 hack. Keeping a cute little cotton ball and spraying it with your favorite perfume, kind of drenching it with your favorite perfume. Put it in a little baggie and you got you like a little smell good cotton ball on the go. If you think that you're just not smelling good, get your cotton ball out and just put it on you, and girl, you are smelling good again. Smell like you just drenched yourself in a bottle of perfume. It definitely works, and we want to smell good all day, baby. Next tip I'm going to give you guys is to spray your brush with perfume. A white girl brush or a powder brush, whatever you guys want to call it. That would definitely keep you smelling good, especially when you're walking in the wind, or you know that air that you smell when somebody walks past. You want your air to always smell juicy. Don't be having no stinky air. That goes with hair and clothes, but just spray it, brush your hair, and you good. Next tip I'm gonna give is the sweet spot to spray your perfume. One of the sweet spots. The first sweet spot obviously is behind your neck and behind your knees. If you guys didn't know that, spraying it behind your knees kind of leaves like a smell good trail when you walk. But my tip is spraying it on your torso. Under your clothing and on the outside of your clothing. The reason why I say under your clothing is just because I don't know why. It just makes it smell good when it's on your torso, and it gives that, like, soon as you kind of walk towards someone or walk next to someone, that's the first thing you smell is either your hair or your front area. So spraying that on your torso area, girl, will have you smelling scrumptious walking past someone, or just when you're going in for a hug. I don't recommend spraying on your wrist just because people tend to spray and do this, and it's like you're rubbing it in. You're not even letting it settle on your skin. So don't spray on your wrist and rub in. At least just spray and just kind of like, I guarantee you, you will smell good every time you hug someone. This next one is crucial. I promise you this one is crucial, and it actually really works. Get you some body oil or use body cream instead of body lotion. It really makes a difference when you use body oil and then spray a perfume on top, because that really locks it in 10 times more than using body mist. And that's another thing. I don't really like using body mist that much, just because body mist is kind of more of like a temporary thing. Like, you could spray it on you, but it might not be as strong, versus perfume, when you use it with oil, will work and last forever. It literally lasts forever. Just add some body oil or body cream, not body lotion, and it will lock it in 10 times better. And the reason that is because colognes and perfumes have oils in it, and body mist is more of kind of like a diluted water and scented thing. So body oils and perfumes go well together because they're both kind of oil based anyway. So it would be like a win-win situation. You're liable to smell the same the next day. We gotta smell scrumptious out in these streets. We can't be smelling like newspapers and bologna. We need to be smelling like cotton candy, unicorns. Well, shoot, unicorns really don't smell good. You need to be smelling good, and I promise you these things will work. Now this one is a DIY that I actually created like 2 years ago, and I personally think it works good. It might be a little weird to you, I don't know, but I think it works good. But I just be putting soap and water and putting it in a little spray bottle. I know it sounds real crazy, but I promise you, it really, really, really works. So my favorite soap to do that makes me smell fresh, that's not really perfumey, is the Caress. And that soap just smells so good. I love the Caress. I think it's like the Daily Silk one. But anyways, this is my creation. So I basically grab a water bottle, I pour the silk inside the water bottle, shake it up, and I make it to where it's more water though. Don't put too much to where you just got literally some soapy water. Just put water, a drop of the Daily Silk, shake it up together. And what you need to do, I know this is weird, some people might be like, girl, no. Get your clothes out the night before, shake it up, and spray that all over your clothes to where you smell like soap and perfume mixed together all day. That's it. I know, I promise y'all, I know it looks crazy, but it really works. Just take it from me, just trust me. Trust me. I did this before and you smell good all day because you got the soap, you got the body oil, and you got the perfume mixed together. I promise you, girl, you're gonna smell good. And men can do this too. Guys could definitely do this, because I know some guys that smell like cologne all day, and I love when a guy walk past and they smell like cologne and they see them at the end of the day and they still smell like cologne. Whew, girl, I just love that. And the last thing you can do is pretty obvious, is to get the matching lotion, matching body cream with the perfume that you have, just to kind of intensify the smell. Everyone kind of knows that. Get the matching set and you will smell good all day long. I'll be cracking myself up and I ain't even funny. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this video. Hopefully you take my tips and my hacks and apply them to your routine, because we all want to smell good. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not seen my latest video, go check that out. I don't know why you're waiting. Just go check it out. I just don't know what you're waiting on. I don't know what you're waiting on. You're missing out. But I will see you guys in the next video, and I'm out.